In this video, I'll show you how you can use the chat in League of Legends. Now, when you're in a game and you press enter, you'll see you can open the chat. Now, what you can do is, if you go to interface right here, and you scroll down until you find chat, you'll be able to enable timestamps. So when I type something, you can see the timestamps. This is useful for if someone uses their summoner spell. You can ping it, and you can see it was pinged 1:11, and you know it's 4 minutes, so you know at 5:11 it will be ready again. Now, the next one is here you can choose the visibility. So you can do everyone, which means you can also see the enemy chat, or you can do any of these if you don't want to see the enemy chat. And that's basically how you can do it in League of Legends, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.